So let's take a look at strong verbs and some of the properties of strong verbs. So we'll begin with the modern English word sing, which in Old English is pronounced as singan, tol singene, singe, singest, singeth, singath, sung, sunge, sung, sungon, singe, singen, sunge, sungen, sing, singath, singende, yasungen. Modern English word dive, which in Old English is duvan, tol duvene, duve, doofsete, doofs, doofs, that one, duvath, deef, duve, deef, duvon, duve, duven, duve, duven, duven, doof, duvath, duvende, yadoven. Just remember this, there's a long U and a short U. The short U is U and the long U is oo. Alright. And the other thing is, notice how the vowel and the stem of the word changes as its grammatical use changes. That will be a key factor with the strong verbs. So strong verbs are arranged in seven classes according to the vowels and their stems. Werner's law applies here. This law is also known as grammatical alternation, as one consonant is changed into another to reflect a change in the grammar of the word involved. So there's a change in the use of the word. The alternation applies to three pairs only. The thorn or eth, it changes to a D, and the H to a G, G dot, the S to an R. We'll see some examples of these. So here we go. Boil, seathan, to seathene, seothe, seithsete, seitheth, seithath, seith, sude, seith, sudon, seothe, seathen, sude, suden, seoth, seathath, seathende, yesodden. See how the thorn changed to a D. Blame. In Old English, leien, to leene, lea, liechsete, liecht, leeth, loch, loche, loch, lochon, lea, lean, loche, lochen, liech, leeth, leande, yelachen. Choose, cheazan, to ye cheazene, cheaze, cheaze, chiest, chiesest, chieseth, chieseth, chiesath, cheas, curre, cheas, curron, chiese, chiesen, curre, curron, chies, chiesath, chiesende, yakarren. Now the verbs satellen, steal, is an example of a class 4 verb. And class 4 verbs, all of them, have this pattern. So the infinitive vowel is an E, the third person singular present tense will be an I, third person past tense, the AE, second person past tense, long AE, ash, past participle, O. And you'll see that down here as we go through it. So, steal, satellan, to satellane, satelle, satilsete, satilth, satellath, satal, satale, satal, satalon, satelle, satellen, satale, satalen, satel, satellath, satelende, yusatolen. Now the table of patterns for all the 7 classes in the strong verb category is listed here. You notice there's some subcategories, like in class 3 you've got A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 subcategories, sorry. And the class 7 verbs have 2 subcategories. So if you follow this pattern through, you'll see how they change. And notice they all change. The infinitive is listed, and then it's in the third person singular present tense, first person past tense, second person past tense, past participle. And because they all follow this pattern, they can be classed as strong verbs within each of these categories. Right, so a strong verb, class 5. Common words, see. Its infinitive in Old English would be seon. Seo. Seich, sata. Seich, th. Seoth. Seich. Sawe. Seich. Sawon. Seo. Seon. Sawe. Sawen. Seoch. Seoth. Seonde. Yesewen. Yeseyen. Strong verb class 7 example, to hold, heldan, yeheldan, to heldane, helde, heldest, hult, heldeth, yeheldeth, heldath, yeheldath, held, heolde, hailed, healed, yehailed, hailed on, healed on, yehealed on, hailed on, done, hailed on, hailde, hailden, hailde, hailden, hailed, haildoth, haildende, yehelden, yeheldene. And that's it.